Hey there, it's Mark Weiss. Ready, fire, aim might be a good strategy in some contexts, but not in connection with the negotiation of any agreement, any contract between a medical group and, well, anyone else. I mean, certainly not with a hospital, certainly not with a payer. The situation is totally analogous to that of a professional athlete, someone who trains and prepares for days, weeks, months, heck, years for competition before actually performing in the competition. The homework, the gathering of intelligence, the preparation all prepares to a negotiation session, a series of negotiation sessions in regard to a contractual arrangement. This is especially true when you're facing off against an opposite, a contracting opposite, represented by someone who is a professional negotiator, a hospital administrator, for example, and certainly anyone who's working for a large payer, Blue Cross, for example. Winging it only works if you're a bird.